All right, guys. So now let's talk about tuples. So tuples are very similar to arrays and similar to hashes, but the only difference is that it doesn't have keys and values like a hash. Okay, but it's like a list of properties, a list of data that you can put within a tuple. And what's cool about it is that it's immutable. Like you can't change it. So for example, if I come here and I say something like this, let's say an array, right? So I'm gonna say friends. Okay, I come here, I say friends, and we pass in Joe, James, okay, then we got Johnny. Then if I come down here and I do friends and then pass in the 0 index and say equals to, let's say Nancy. Now whenever I put, let's say puts friends, sorry, missing the S over here, puts friends, right? Let me print this out. Crystal Playground. As you can see, the first index became from Joe to Nancy now. So that's why it says Nancy. We basically reassigned it. But with a tuple, instead of using brackets, we use curly brackets. So now if I go and try to change this, look what happens. It says undefined method for tuple string. Like you can't do that. You can't go in there and try to change it. Okay, like that won't work. It's immutable. Now if I wanted to, you just print out, let's say friends 0, right? 0 index. You'll see it says Joe. So use tuples whenever you want to make sure that the data that you put in never gets changed. Okay, it's immutable. There's no way to change it later on. Okay, so that's when you want to use a tuple. All right, guys, I'll see you guys later. Peace.